Good morning. We will be talking about network topologies. But before anything else, what is network topology? A network topology is the arrangement with which computer system or network devices are connected to each other. Network topology represents a network arrangement consisting of several nodes, like sender and receiver nodes, and the lines connected to them. Network topology is the way a network is arranged, including the physical or logical description of how links and nodes are set up to relate to each other. For additional knowledge, network nodes or nodes are the points of connection of the transmission medium to transmitters and receivers of electrical, optical, or radio signal carried in the medium. Now, I'm going to give you 6 example types of topology.
Ring topology is where every computer is connected to another computer on each side. The last computer is connected to the first, thus forming a ring shape. This topology allows for each computer to have exactly 2 neighboring computers. Data transmission is done in a sequential method, bit by bit. Therefore, data has to be routed
its way through each node in the network to reach the destination node.
In this topology, the main computer is known as the monitor station, which is responsible for all the operations. Data transmission among its devices is done with the help of token for transmitting data. The computer station has to hold the token. The token is released only when the transmission is complete, following which other computer station can use the token to transmit data.
Benefits of ring topology. A network is not affected by anonymous or odds or heavy traffic of data, as only the nodes processing can transfer the data. Ring topology has cheap installation and expansion. Drawback of topology. It is a troubleshot of the ring topology. It is a difficult add or delete. Nodes can interrupt network activity. One of computer can share tokens activity network has disrupted.
Best topology. Best topology is a kind of a network topology where every node and every device in the network is connected to a solo main cable lane. Data is transmitted in a single route from point to another. We cannot transmit data in both ways. Where its topology has precisely 2 endpoints. It is known as linear bus topology. It is mostly used for a small network cable.
Both ends of the shared channel have a line terminator. The data is sent only one direction as soon as it reaches the extreme end, the terminator removes the data from the line.
Benefits of bus topology. It is cost-effective because it only uses one solo main cable. The cable length required is the least in comparison to other topologies. The work of this topology is easy to understand. Expansion can be done easily by linking the cables together. Drawbacks of bus topology. If the main cable collapses, the complete network collapses because they are all connected to one main cable. The network performance can reduce if there are any numerous modes and heavy network traffic of data. The main cable can only be so long, the length of the cable is limited. Bus topology is not fast as ring topology.
Star topology is a kind of network topology in which all the nodes are connected via cables to a single node called the hub, which is the central node. The hub can be active or passive in nature. Active hubs are considered non-intelligent nodes, while passive hubs are considered a reserved connection to the central node, which the central node acts as a repeater during data transmission. Are connected to a central device known as hub device using a point-to-point connection. That is, there exists a point-to-point connection between host and hub. The hub device can be any of the following: Layer 1 device such as hub or repeater. Layer 2 device such as switch or bridge. Layer 3 device such as router or gateway. In this topology, hub acts as single point of failure. If hub fails, connectivity of all hosts to all other hosts fails. Every communication between hosts takes place through only the hubs. Star topology is not expensive as to connect one more host. Only one cable is required and configuration is simple.
Benefits of star topology. Star topology boasts fast performance due to low network traffic. It's easy to upgrade the hub and when required. Setup can be done easily and can be easily modified as well. Star topology is easy to troubleshoot. In case maid has failed, it can be easily be replaced without affecting the working of the rest of the network. Drawback of the star topology: the installation cost is extreme and is costly to use. All the nodes are dependent on the hub.
Tree topology, also known as a hierarchical topology. This is the most common form of network topology and enhanced properties of bus topology. This topology divides the network into multiple level layers of network, mainly in LANs. A network is bifurcated into three types of network devices. The lowermost is a access layer where a computer are attached. The middle layer is known as a distribution layer, which works as a mediator between upper layer and lower layer. The highest is known as a core layer and central point of the network, or let's just say the nut of the tree from which all nodes form.
Benefits of tree topologies. It is easy to expand the network with more needs. Number 2, it is easy to maintain and manage. Number 3, it is easy to detect an error in the network. Drawback of tree topologies. Number 1, it is profoundly cabled. Number 2, it is expensive when compared to other topologies. Number 3, if the root node collapses, the network will collapse.
A network structure whose design contains more than one topology is said to be hybrid topology. Hybrid topology inherits merits and demerits incorporating topologies.
Look at this picture. You can see that this is a ring topology because each device has two neighboring neighbors. Yet, it also has a star topology. So this means that this picture is a hybrid topology because it combined two different topologies.
Benefits of hybrid topology. It is easy to troubleshoot and provide simple error detecting techniques. It is flexible network topology, making it quite effective. It is scalable since the size can be made greater easily. Drawbacks of hybrid topology. It isn't very easy to design it. It is costly as it involves more than one topology.
Mesh topology. In this type of topology, a host is connected to one or multiple hosts. This topology has host in point-to-point connection with every other host, or may also have hosts which are in point-to-point connection to few hosts only. Types of mesh topology: full mesh and partial mesh. Full mesh. All hosts have a point-to-point connection to every other host in the network. Thus, for every new host connection are required. It provides the most reliable network structure among all network topologies. Partially meshed. Not all hosts have point-to-point connection to every other host. Hosts connect to each other in some arbitrarily fashion. Look at this picture. As you can see, every host is connected to every host in the network, which means that this picture is a full mesh.
Now, what is the importance of network devices and network topologies in technological world?
Network topology helps us to understand better the networking concept. This helps reduce the operational and maintenance costs such as cabling costs. Network topology plays a crucial role in a performance, and network topology is a factor in determining the media type to be used to cable a network.
What are the benefits of choosing the right network topology? Choosing the right topology for your company's operational model can increase performance while making it easier to locate faults, troubleshoot error, and more effectively allocate resources across the network to ensure optimal network health.